Hello, and welcome to Crypto Exposed. HBAR price prediction. This chart pattern can pull Hedera price out of uncertainty and trigger a 55% move. Very interesting. Of course, we all, especially in this current climate of a bear market, we all like to hear some positive price action news. I know it's going to be a lot of frustration for you guys holding these coins and, just patiently waiting to see some kind of positive price action again. Everybody's missing the bull market, myself included, but I am very much aware that this is definitely a patience situation. Patience is definitely key and it will be rewarded. So let's get into the article and we can discuss this further. HBAR price prediction. The Hedera coin price in a correction phase for the past 2 months shows the formation of a symmetrical triangle pattern. In theory, this pattern is a continuation setup that may offer a short break before resuming the prevailing uptrend. Here's how interested trades may trade this pattern to grab the upcoming recovery rally. Key points. The space between the triangle pattern is narrowed enough to consider a no trading zone. A breakout from either trend line of the triangle pattern is needed to trigger a direction move. The intraday trading volume in HBAR coin is 204.5 million, indicating a 104% gain. Under the influence of the symmetrical triangle pattern, the Hedera price spread is narrowing within 2 converging trend lines. The price has reached nearly the peak of the triangle and is poised for a breakout move. With a higher possibility, a breakout above the overhead trend line will signal the continuation of the prior uptrend. A daily candle closing above the trend line will offer buyers a strong launchpad to jump higher. The potential rally may surge the altcoin to 0.07 cents to 0.079 cents or 0.1 cents, recording a max gain of 55%. On a contrary note, a breakdown below the pattern support trend line could worsen the situation for HBAR. This breakdown may also plunge the coin price below 61.8% Fibonacci retracement level and accelerate the selling pressure. Technical indicator. Moving average convergence divergence. The MACD in brackets blue and signal in brackets orange slope wavering around the midline indicates indecisiveness among market participants. Exponential moving average. The 100 and 200 day EMA slope above the HBAR reflects the market sentiment is bearish. Hedera coin price intraday levels. The spot rate is 0.062 cents. Trend is bullish. Volatility medium. Resistance levels 0.07 cents and 0.079 cents. Support levels 0.056 cents and 0.044 cents. Okay, so there you go. I'm definitely not a TA. I don't do technical analysis, so I'm not here to really give any kind of credibility to this. I really don't know. But I'm definitely hoping for the 55% rally over it dropping 61% or whatever it said earlier. I think this is the thing with TA. Sometimes it's kind of, if it hits this, then it can go up. If it hits this, it can go down. So it's never like a guarantee of it going one way or the other, but it's showing you what the potential can be if it hits certain predicted movements, right? So we are currently in a bear market, and this is one thing that I will say. Look, here you can just see from this, it's saying it could go down 61% or it could go up 55%. What you've got to understand with this is this is no indicator of HBAR being a bad buy long term. Okay, this is just what they're seeing currently in the economic climate. So us being in a bear market, yeah, it possibly could drop 61%. That wouldn't necessarily surprise me. But you've also got to look at how it's saying it could go up 55%. So don't necessarily get disheartened just by seeing, okay, well, it's saying it could also go down. Yeah, it could. But to me, the way I look at this, whenever I'm looking at crypto, well, any kind of investment, if I see something that's going to drop it dramatically, if I really believe in the thing that I want to buy, the investment, so whether that be like a stock or a crypto, whatever, the way I look at it is, if it drops that much and I truly believe in it, Well, it just means I can get those coins for cheap. That's not financial advice, but that's the way I look at it. Because if I still believe in its future, a temporary drop isn't going to faze me, because that's just the market being the market, right? I still believe long term in the partnerships that they have. I believe in the governing council that they have. I believe in the things that they're trying to do. What the Hedera hashgraph power has, the utility it will bring long term. So for me, seeing this, that it could drop 61%, it doesn't faze me whatsoever, because I still believe in what the company can do. So for me, I just look at it as like, hey, the coin's going for way cheaper than what I could buy it for right now. So why don't I just scoop some up while it's a bit cheaper? Yeah, that's why I always say you should do your own research when you're looking into any kind of thing that you're potentially looking to invest in, because once you have that confidence, you don't worry about these dips so much. Like, yes, okay, if you see some news that's really looks bad for the company, then of course, then you've got to start kind of being a bit more cautious. But there's nothing in here that says there's something bad to do with the company as to why the price is going to drop. It's just talking about trend lines and TA. So there's nothing fundamentally wrong with the company. So for me, this doesn't matter. And as I say, again, it's not guaranteed that it's going to go down. It could go up. So this could be a chance to get in right now and potentially get a 55% increase in your profit. So again, it all comes down to how you look at these kind of things. But hey, here's fingers crossed for the 55% increase. That would definitely be good to see. And I think a lot of investors would be happy for that kind of thing, especially in the current climate. So here's hoping. But what do you guys think? Do you think this TA is accurate? Do you think it's going to go up 55%, or do you think it's going to drop 61%? Let me know your thoughts, guys. I'd be interested to hear. Thank you very much for watching this. If you did like it, please remember to drop a comment, like, and subscribe. But until next time, take care.